Zoom events can feel overwhelming at first, but once we understand how they work, everything becomes clearer and easier to manage. Zoom Events is Zoom's upgraded platform for hosting virtual and hybrid events of any size. It combines reliable video conferencing with helpful tools that guide us through sessions, help us interact in event rooms, and keep us organized from start to finish. Here's how we can join a Zoom event. Choose the event that you like and register for it. Fill out all the necessary details. Once registered, open Zoom. Open your Zoom account and sign in. Go to your meetings and click on Upcoming Events. This section shows a list of your scheduled upcoming events. Find the event you registered for and click Join. When we join a public event, we can make it more productive with Tactiq. Tactiq automatically transcribes your Zoom calls, highlights key points, and creates AI-powered summaries and action items so we can focus on the discussion instead of taking notes. Try Tactiq free at tactiq.io and subscribe for more Zoom meeting tips.